Hi, my name is Ben. I'm the Senior Product Marketing Manager for Embark for Veterinarians. And I just want to take a moment to walk you through the dashboard, show you how to use it, how to log new patients, activate swabs, and some of the additional resources that are available to you in here. So the first thing, when you've conducted a swab, you're ready to go and log it into your dashboard, you need to come in here and activate the swab and make sure they're added to your dashboard before you mail that back to us. So you'll just go to my.embarkvet.com, enter your login credentials, and that'll take you right into your dashboard here. So the first thing that I wanted to show you is how to add a brand new patient. Now you can go ahead and add all of the patients in if you want to get ahead of it, or if you just want to do it as you're doing the swabs themselves. You're free to do either of those, and those will show up here. So the first thing you would do is go to add a patient up here in the right, and then enter in the patient details. Starting with the client, if you have their email address, want to add in their phone number, patient's full name, other information, the patient's sex, spayed, neutered, birth. And then this is where you'll go ahead and actually take the activation code that is located on each swab. So every single swab has its unique activation code so that you can associate that one with this patient. So if you've done the swab already and you're adding in the patient, you're ready to enter that in here, great, go ahead, you'll type it um, in here. You'll select who ordered it. So everyone that's within your clinic, within your practice, this will allow you to select who is the one that did it. And then when the reports are ready, that individual will get the notification via email. If you are just logging the patient in here and you're not ready to actually activate a swab, you can just click on do this later. And so what that will do is that will just add the patient to your dashboard, allow you to go in another time. So that would then look like this. So when you're looking at your full dashboard, if you're looking at all of them, in this case, in Sheldon's practice, um, this was one where I had done exactly that. So I added them in, but I did not associate a swab. So when I've collected that sample and I'm ready to go ahead and activate it, I would just click activate swab. Then I can enter this information in here. Now for others where you've already activated, you've sent those in, and now you're waiting results, this dashboard is going to show you that. So right now I've selected all, but we could go to and select no swab associated. You can see if there are any that are processing or filter by the ones that have test results. And all of that's going to come in right here. So you'll see right where it says no swab activated, they'll indicate processing, that we've received it. So you can always come back in here and check on these. Another way to sort by, you can do date added, newest to oldest, or patient name. Now, when you get results, you'll receive a notification via email, but again, you can log in here and check on those. And the easiest way to take a look is hit these drop downs. So for Violet, if I hit the drop down, I get a really, really quick breed result mix. And then I can see that there was one notable variant, right? So then I go ahead and click on View Report. And that's going to go ahead and open up the full report. So if you just want a quick glance of patients as they're coming in, you can just do the little caret and drop that down, or you can go ahead and come in here and actually take a look at the full report and really get into the details. And you can download this, you can attach it to your systems, but that's what that will do. Other features within here, you can go ahead and edit the client details. So if, for example, maybe the client's email address has changed or you didn't add that in before, they have a new phone number, you can edit that in here. And you can also invite the client to the account. So what this does, if you enter in your client's email address, this invites them to create their own Embark account. They're essentially getting the complete pet owner experience. The health report is not as clinical as technical as the one that you receive, but they get all of the other amazing features that a pet owner would get and would love. So they're getting the breed results, they're getting health at a high level, they're getting traits, they're getting relative finder, which owners really love. So this is a really nice way to go ahead and send this to them, and they'll get an email from us, and then they can create a login and they can go in. They're not logging into this dashboard, they're getting their own view of this, and they're only seeing it for the pet that you had shared with here. So some of the other things to call out, this is where you'll go ahead and order new kits. So up here in the upper right, when you in your clinic need to order new kits, you just within your dashboard come in here, select what you need, and go through the checkout process here. We also have a resource center. So if at any time you have any questions, whether around marketing materials, things for notifying your client base on social, or if you want client handouts to make it easier to communicate this, just understanding genetics, how to use this and have a conversation with the pet owner, we're constantly updating this resource center for you with key FAQs and additional materials for you to utilize. And if at any time you need support, need to get a hold of us, just click on support in the upper right, and you can give us a call, shoot us an email, or even schedule a call with one of our veterinary geneticists who is happy to help walk you through everything from how to use the dashboard or review the results in a full report that you're getting to help put a proactive care plan together.